everyone, welcome back to our channel and join us as we feature this 5-bedroom modern design home located in one of the exclusive subdivisions here in Angeles City that is just 15 minutes away from Clark International Airport. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. And let's start. This property has a 398, ang laki kasi, 398 square meters lot area at ang kanyang floor area ay 585. So makita nyo sa mga videos natin ngayon, corner lot siya at dalawa ang entrance niya of course. Meron tayong side gate, eto yan, eto. And then yung isang gate naman, nandun yung ating parking area. So this side, sobrang massive ng property na to. And this, yung mga previous properties natin na pinifeature, more on for first-time home buyers, yung mga maliliit na families. But this time, if you're looking for a massive property with 5 bedrooms, all with ensuite toilet and bath, at meron kang, ayan, may mga allotted parts ka for gatherings, this is the property for you. You can see your porch. Ang luwang, ang ganda, ang linis, and then meron kang table here. Pwede mo nga lakihan yan dahil umaabot hanggang dito. But, itong portion na to, this is an enclosed lanai na merong, so you have an enclosed lanai. So it's like, you know, nung una ko siyang nakita, sabi ko, it's an outdoor enclosed dining area. Kasi they mentioned they'll be putting TV here. Tama ba, sir? Maglalagay sila ng TV dito. So this is your conference room, meeting room, family area. Perfect dahil kung nasan kayo, makikita nyo na ang ating pool area. So perfect siya dahil, like for example, pwedeng naka-open na to, naka-open na yon para dire-diretso na lang yung, you know, yung mga tao while having fun. Ang luwang-luwang. But, kanina ko pa ito napapansin. Ayokong hindi i-mention. Look at this accent wall. Ang ganda. Diba? Tapos, meron ka pang mga mga accent boards on both sides. And look at that chandelier. Very nice. Yung ceiling natin, hindi lang siya basta-basta drop light lang. Meron tayong accent sa ceiling natin. We have panels there. Fluted panels. And a very pretty, namumukadkad talaga yung ating chandelier. Alright, punta tayo sa ating pool area. So yan, nakita nyo yung ating pool area. Ang luwang, di ba? Tignan mo kung gaano siya ka... Oh, ang laki ng pool area natin. And you have here, this is a toilet room. Magkahiwalay yung toilet room natin and yung ating shower room, which is nasa side na to. We'll show you that pag lumabas tayo dun sa ating dirty kitchen. But I also want to show you your bar here. Kung ayaw mo ng mga liquors, you can add coffee naman dito, di ba? Depende sa iyong gusto at sa iyong preference. Alright? Pasok tayo from the entrance door para makita nyo kung, ayan, look at that, di ba? Pag may gathering kayo. So this is the corner lot, kaya makita mo naman, napaka-spacious ng ating, property, ating porch. Elevated din yan, but this is you'll see, it's elevated, but this is a flood-free community, and that is just a 15 minutes drive to Clark International. Sir, guys, legit yun legit yung 15 minutes na yun. That side, we'll show you that pag lumabas tayo sa may parking area. Though again, you'll see may mga gamit pa kasi inaayos pa yung mga ibang parts, may mga finishing pa. So please, ayun, bear with us guys. But before we get inside, tignan mo naman ang ating canopy. Ang ganda. Meron tayong accent wall, accent ceiling, na merong LED strip. And look at that. Massive door, smart lock, fingerprint, password. Also may face detection din siya. And you have a pivot door. What I love about pivot doors, malaki kasi yung pag binuksan mo siya. So, pag may mga ipapasok ang mga gamit, hindi sila mababangga sa side ng mga doors natin. Pasok na tayo. This is also furnished. So, let's go. At pagpasok mo, ito ang view na makikita mo. You have your high ceiling stairwell. And to my right, this is your... Nakita niyo ba yung lakad ko dito? Kung gaano karaming steps ko bago ako makarating ng living area. Ganyan siya ka-spacious. This is your living area. Ang ganda ng accent natin. We have a navy blue. Is this navy blue or something coral blue? Basta blue ang color. Ang ganda ng kulay. Diba? Gray. Ang elegant ng color. Nagpumwesto ko dito para makita niyo yung ating under our stairwell. Meron tayong mga cabinets dito. Look at that. Diba? Na-maximize yung space under your stairwell dahil meron ka pang storage dito. Hanapin niyo ako. Halang, luwang. O, diba? O. Sobrang luwang. Sara natin. O, diba? Meron ka pa doon. May pwesto pa doon. So, yun. This is included, of course. Look at that painting. Ang ganda. Talagang ginawa siya for this living area. Dahil, tignan mo naman yung accent niya, diba? Alright, I want you to see the high ceiling. Open to below. So, sa mga rooms natin, paglabas mo, pwede mo makita kung sino yung mga bisita mo. Dito ako dadaan para makita nyo yung transition going to our dining area. But, meron ka pa rin accent ng blue. I like this one. Very nice. Mapapansin mo, custom made din po ang mga yan. 10-seater dining set. This is solid wood. I think this is Nara. And look at your drop light or your chandelier. Guys, you can adjust that. So kung mapapansin mo, medyo mas mababa siya ng konti para lang mas magandang makita sa mga videos. Also, ganyan siya in-arrange ng seller or ng builder. But pwede yan i-adjust in your preference. Kung gusto niyo mas mataas ng konti, pwede niyo yung i-adjust. This side, meron ka pa ring accent wall dito or accent, yeah, you have an, it's like, is this a painting? I know, it's like parang glass naman siya eh. So you have your accent wall. Pwede ka rin maglagay dito ng anything you want, but you also have drawers. Ayan, ang dami mong storage. Here. At nakita nyo na to kanina, going to your pool area. So kung halimbawa may gathering ka, dining area, pool area, you have your bar, you have your enclosed lanai, and then dun pa sa labas, meron ka pang table doon. So perfect yung partition, perfect yung location kasi hindi kayo, alam mo yung hindi kayo sabog-sabog, nasa isang portion lang or nasa isang part lang yung mga guests and other in your family. Ang ganda nito. Look at this couch. So nice, and even the color. Okay, dito tayo. From there, I just want you to appreciate your bar counter. You have 2 stools here, but pwede ka pang magdagdag ng isa kasi spacious pa siya for 3. You know, if you want to add 1 more. Ang ganda rin niya kasi yung level niya. You can prepare there, you can serve dito, and waterfall countertop siya. Pababa siya. Oh, pero oo nga, pababa nga pala dito. Meron ka pa dito, taas, and then here. That's nice. Ganito kaluwang ang ating formal kitchen, guys. At, mommies, I know you like this. May pull-out na po tayong kasama. Look at that. May pull-out na po. Ano ba yun? Ayan ang pull-out natin. Balik natin. At hindi lang po yan. Meron pa dito. Meron kang pull-out dito. Very pretty. Of course, may storages pa tayo dyan. Dito. And, look at your cabinets. May ilaw pa yan. Your modern design kitchen sink. Meron pang, may glass rinser. Yes, you have your glass rinser, drainer. Ayan, and your different types of faucet. Task lights. Preparation area, sobrang spacious. And you also have, of course, your stove and your range hood. Kasama din po ang microwave and ang ating oven. And of course, your refrigerator. This property also has a centralized water heater. So, yung mga faucet po natin, lahat po yan ay hot and cold na po sila. Before I show you the rooms, dito muna tayo. Ito yung mga sinabi ko na may mga ginagawa pa. Please bear with us. This is the request of our builder and seller, kaya pinifeature na natin. Oh, so makikita nyo na brand new talaga, diba? Na may mga inaayos pa. Your pantry. This is your pantry. At hindi lang yan, eto pa. Oh, kulang pa ba yung mga lalagyan na yan para sa inyong mga groceries? Dahil Pinoy tayo, you have your formal kitchen, you also have your dirty kitchen. Diba? And then sa likod, sige, pasok na tayo dito. Okay. Papunta tayo sa pool area. So, paglabas nyo dyan, this is your laundry area. Meron ka ring sink dyan. Na-imagine nyo ba, kanina nandito ako sa may pool. And you have your maid's room. Ang maid's room natin nasa labas. At spacious po yung maid's room natin. Kasya dyan ang double deck na single. And then, pwede ka pa maglagay ng cabinet. Maluwang po siya. Okay, so this one, I mentioned kasi kanina that magkahiwala yung sa toilet room natin and sa ating shower room. This is your shower room. You have your metal gun color stainless steel shower set. And nandito yung powder room natin. Or yung toilet room. Yan. So magkahiwalay. Para yung mga naligo, nag-shower, diba? Hiwalay doon sa mga gamit ng toilet. Alright. Next, punta na tayo sa parking area. And of course, pool pump, mayroon ka rin tank. Very important if you have pool. At syempre, pag malaki yung bahay mo, important na meron kang backup water. Okay, let's go. Dito po. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman yan. This is your parking area. Parking for 4. At automated po ang ating gate. Sliding siya, which is very, I find it very thoughtful din sa builder. Kasi syempre, kapag sliding kasi, hindi ka na nakakaabala sa mga dumadaan, diba? So, sliding door, very nice po. Sliding automated gate. Pasok na tayo. Tignan mo naman, ang ganda pang magazine, di ba? O, Instagrammable. Kahit saan ka pumunta sa bahay na to, Instagrammable. At isa pa, sa pinaka nagustuhan ko sa bahay na to, ang laki-laki niya, pero meron kang bedroom sa ground floor. Very important, no? Pag gusto mo lang tumanda sa property na to, napaka-importante na meron kang bedroom sa first floor or sa ground floor. Pwede rin naman tong guest room. There you go. You have a queen-size bed. Lalagyan po yan ng bed. Makita mo naman spacious. You can mount your TV here. Yan, meron tayong mga drawers dyan. And this is your cabinet. Tignan mo naman yan. Ganda. At meron siyang built-in na light. Ngayon, nasisilaw ka ba sa ilaw? Kung ikaw ay nasisilaw, pwede mo naman yung i-dim. Pero kung gusto mo, bet mo yung ganong kaliwanag. Oh, ang arte. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Ang ganda-ganda. Ito, may view ka ng porch natin from here. Pero, this is your guest room and also mayroon itong ensuite toilet and bath. Your ensuite toilet and bath, you have a tempered glass partition. This is your shower area. Wala kang makikitang dumi na butas-butas dyan dahil centralized water heater na po. So, mainit na yan. Mainit at hot and cold na. Naku, baka tayo ma-quote sa mga yon. Hot and cold ready na po. Metal gun color na piano type shower set, niche. Floor to ceiling tiles, of course, yung sa floor natin textured at yung sa side natin glossy. Ang ganda ng ating slope type lavatory sink. Ayan, pababa yan. Makita mo, napakalinis tignan ng ating faucet dahil nga, hot and cold ready na. You have your vanity mirror, meron ka ring socket dyan. And look at your door. Ay, ang taas-taas. Tignan mo naman yan. Okay. Paglabas mo, nandito ang powder room. This is your powder room. Wait, smart powered ba tong ating toilet? Tignan ko nga. Parang hindi ko yan nakita sa notes. Pero, yes, smart powered. Smart toilet po siya. Ito yung remote. So, smart toilet sa yung powder room. Ang luwang naman ang powder room na to. Tignan mo naman yung yung vanity mirror. And look at your slope lavatory sink. Diba? Pwede ka pa maglagay ng magazine, pwede ka maglagay ng plants, and look at your accent wall. Diba? Sinabi nila powder room, pero look at your powder room. Ay! Meron siyang Meron siyang hanging hanging lamp. Look at that. 'Di ba? Ang ganda-ganda, parang hotel. Cute. We have door dyan. Show ko lang sa inyo. Itong door na to, this goes to your parking area. So like for example, this side, wala ka naman mga nakalagay dito. Pwede kang, this can be your fur baby corner kasi yung nando sa may side ng stairwell natin, occupied na with the cabinet. So you can have this as your fur baby corner if you want. And then ito yung door natin going to your parking area. Diba? If you want to use this access, pwede. If you want to make it like just for your fur baby, pwede mo yung gawing fur baby corner. Alright, akyat na tayo para sa ibang rooms. Your landing. Hindi ko alam kung landing ba to or ano, parang photo area. Ang ganda, di ba? Tignan mo yung iyong... Meron kang wide window dyan. Corner window. And you have your curtain and of course, meron kang... nakalimutan ko yung tawag sa mga ganitong curtains, yung malinaw. Pwede mo tong isara if you want. But what I love about this property, kahit yung mga walls natin, agaw eksena, alam mo yun, tignan mo naman yan. Yung LED strip natin, yung ceiling natin, very nice. Pag akyat mo, this is your master's bedroom. Kaya huhulihin natin siya. What? Meron tayong uplighting. Dito lang tayo sa may, look at that. Dito sa walkway mo, meron ka pang uplighting. So, uplighting yung mga accent lights natin na indirect siya, paakyat, pataas siya, para ma-emphasize lang yung wall natin. Ang ganda, di ba? So, aside from your wall, may additional material siya, which is your tiles, or your accent board, and meron pang isang layer of wooden accent that kung saan nila linagay yung uplighting natin. Ang ganda. Look at that. Beauty. Nag-iba mo color to. Ang ganda ng chandelier natin, oh. So nice. Tingnan mo naman. Ang ganda, no? Pag lumakad ka, oh. Open to below. Kita mo yung bisita dito. Kung gusto mo mag-picture, aura ka dyan. Or aura ka dito, picture dyan. Okay. So sa ating second floor, rooms na lahat yung nandito. Since we have 5 bedrooms, pang 6 yung maid's room natin. First bedroom natin yung nasa baba, and this is your second bedroom. Tignan nyo kung gaano kaluwang yung second bedroom natin. Look at that. Look at your second bedroom. Included, pag uwi mo or pagbili nyo, pwede na kayong matulog. Ang luwang pa. Of course, you have your ensuite toilet and bath dito. At hindi lang siya basta bathroom dahil talagang maluwang din siya. Same design nung kanina. No? Same design at same din yung tiles. You also have your own balcony or your view deck. Ang hangin, ang presko. Wow! So, ito ang iyong view ng hapon. Time check tayo. It's already, ano oras na ba? 5:30, I think. Yeah, around 5:30. Ito ang view natin. Very nice naman, oh. At hindi pa yan, there's more. You have your hanging side drawers. May mga socket din. Your ceiling, accent board. Yan, yung nasa taas. Cove lights because naka-drop ceiling pa siya. At meron ka pang pin lights. Very nice. This is your TV console. Yan, mount your TV there or pwede naman nakatayo. Ito pa ang maganda. Ito, yung cabinet na mukha-mukha nung kanina. Diba yung kanina na-adjust natin yung lights. Look at that. Or kung gusto mo naman patayin, pwede mo patayin. Tindihan mo siya. Vanity area or this ay para maganda tong study area. Put your books here, oh. Ganda, no? Included ang aircon. And this is just your second bedroom. Punta tayo sa ating third bedroom. Oh, look at that. Oh, sino ka dyan? May uplighting yung walkway natin. Diba? Ang ganda. Third bedroom. Spacious din siya. Ang ganda. Same sila ng design. Meron silang hanging drawers. At meron din siyang view deck or balcony. Ay, mas mahaba to. So, itong balcony na to, mas mahaba siya because sharing siya with the other bedroom. So, ito yung sa bedroom 4 natin. Sharing siya. And you have artificial grass, which is low maintenance. Ang ganda naman dito. Ganyan siya kahaba, ganyan siya rin kaluwang. Pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table, pwede ka maglagay ng rattan swing, 'di ba? And so this is your ensuite toilet and bath. Same design, tempered glass partition. You have your sobrang neat na pagkaka-install ng ating shower because you don't have your heater dahil nga centralized yung ating centralized water heater tayo. Slope type, lahat ng mga bathrooms natin may mga cabinet din tayo. So this is your bedroom 3, pero bedroom 2 siya sa second floor. Last bedroom na, ay, hala, ang luwang nito. Look. Oh, tapos dito pa. Bedroom 4 ng yung property. Kasama na yan, hanging drawers, may ma-accent wall. Alam mo yung hindi ka lang, kahit saan ka pumunta, merong, may art. Merong, di ba? May art, may accent. Kaya kahit saan ka pumunta, Instagrammable. May control ka sa ilaw dito ng iyong TV area. Look at that. At eto yung kanina, yung balcony. Yan, dito yung kanina. This one. Diba? Alright. Pasok na tayo. At syempre, mawawala ba yung built-in cabinet natin na pangmalakasan? Hindi po yan mawawala. This side, your vanity area or your study area. So, ito na naman yung ating ilaw. Lakasan natin. Or pwede mong i-dim, pwede mong lakasan. Ayan. May mga lock din yan. Pero ang linis tignan, no? Again, this has ensuite toilet and bath. So, nandito yung CR natin. Same design, same size. At kung nalakihan kayo sa mga rooms natin, paano pa kaya ang ating master's bedroom? Kaya tara na. Pwede ba natin hindi pakita itong walkway na to dahil napakaganda? Dito na tayo sa ating master's bedroom. Kung nalakihan na kayo doon, paano pa kaya sa master's bedroom natin? This is your master's bedroom. Ano to? Half court? Sabi ko, parang half court? No? Kasi gano'n siya kaluwang. Pwede ka pang maglagay ng king size bed dyan. Dito, ang luwang-luwang pa. Ang ganda ng wall natin, ay ng ating TV console natin. Look at that. CCTV monitor. Sige, pakita natin gaano kaluwang dito. Oh. Dito sa side na to, pwede kang maglagay ng, kung gusto mo dito yung gym or additional couch, pwede rin. Kung ikaw ay mahilig tumugtog, pwede kang maglagay ng mga musical instruments dito. Parang ganda. Diba? Ang luwang. Tapos makita mo yung ceiling natin. Meron tayong accent, what do you call this? Accent board sa taas. Here, meron ka ring balcony. So, lahat ng rooms natin, meron silang balcony sa second floor. Paglabas mo, tignan mo naman yan. Ang ganda naman nung accent natin dyan sa wall. Or sa roof natin. Diba? Coffee table na 4-seater. Rattan swing, or pwede ka maglagay ng plants din dito. Ang ganda pa dahil low maintenance yung ating artificial grass. Lang, sarap dito ang presko. Tapos tahimik yung subdivision natin. Guys, this is a secured subdivision, 24-hour security service, tapos exclusive talaga yung subdivision na to. And legit talaga yung 15 minutes away from Clark International Airport. Also, sa mga, yung sa mga nakikita yung restaurant sa TikTok, naku, dito lang sila. Alright. Siyempre, kung ay, ang ganda nito. For your collections, guys, kung meron kayong mga collections, pwede nyo lagay dyan. Bags, ladies, moms, perfect yan. Pero kung kulang pa yan, meron kang walk-in closet. Oh my goodness! Ang ganda ng walk-in closet. This is your walk-in closet. Look at that. And of course, like the other rooms, meron tayong control sa mga lights natin. You can dim the lights. Pwede mo rin lakasan. Same here. Ang ganda lang. This one also. So, hati kayo. Be fair. Be fair. Vanity area, mom. Very nice ang yung vanity mirror. Spacious pa pag nagbibihis ka, no? Or pag namimili ka ng mga gusto mong suotin. And of course, your master's bathroom is here with a bathtub. Tignan mo yung sukat niya, hindi pinilit ang sukat niya dahil meron ka pang space here for your towels or shampoo. So, pwede dyan. Lang ganda. Very nice, no? And then, pwede kang maglagay dito ng kung gusto mo yung mini table here, lagay ka ng speaker. Sabagay, pwede dito yung speakers mo. Lagay ka ng speaker dyan, candles. And this is your vanity mirror. Slope type din yung ating lavatory sink. Ang yung napaka-cutie na hanging lamp. Naglalog ako. Kasi yung laki ng bahay. Hanging lamp. Ayan. At syempre, dahil master's bedroom to, ang iyong toilet ay smart toilet. And ayun yung iyong remote. Syempre, meron ka ring enclosed shower area na napaka ganda. Ayan. There. Makita mo ang iyong shower set. Stainless steel shower set, piano style. Wala kang makikitang mga ano dyan dahil centralized water heater system po ang property na ito. Enclosed shower area. Balik tayo dito. Well, that's it. Pero we'll see you sa ground floor para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a 5-bedroom modern design home with swimming pool located in one of the exclusive subdivisions here in Angeles City, which is just a 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport. Things that or highlights ng property nito bukod sa kanyang laki, ang kanyang community. This is located in a secured subdivision, exclusive subdivision, at ito yung mga subdivision na, some kasi yung gusto nila sa mga subdivisions yung medyo papasok or hindi naman libre, but hindi siya main road or hindi siya agad access ng MacArthur Highway. MacArthur Highway yan. Pero this one, nasa main road talaga siya. So, madali siyang accessible siya. And then, yung mga nakikita ninyo mga restaurants sa TikTok, yung mga trending restaurants doon, madali po siyang mapuntahan from this property. And also, other major business establishments, mabilis din po to, 20-minute drive to universities, schools, hospitals, malls, 50-minute drive to SM City Clark. So, ganun kabilis. And then, an hour drive to Subic or Zambales. Ayan. What else? Yung architectural design niya, napakaganda. Diba? Hindi lang basta-basta tinayo yung bahay. May mga kaartihan talaga na makikita ninyo. Bawat wall, mayroon mga accent. What else? Yung mga rooms natin, they all have their ensuite toilet and bath. Lahat meron sarili-sariling bathrooms. And what I love about this, kahit na malaki siya, meron kang bedroom sa ground floor. So, pwede ka nang tumanda sa property. The carport, 4-car carport, and then automated gate na sliding automated gate. Diba? Very thoughtful dahil hindi na siya very thoughtful dahil hindi pa-swing yung ating gate. Furnish! Ang ganda po ng mga furnitures natin at makikita mo naman spacious ang ating per part, living area, very spacious lahat. Tignan mo naman ang kitchen natin, napakaganda. Ang ating pool area na merong enclosed lanai or your enclosed dining area, family room. Ayan, napaka-spacious din niya. At yung master's bedroom, favorite ko talaga yung walk-in closet. Ang ganda-ganda, even your master's bathroom. What did you like about this property? Comment lang kayo. At if you're interested and if you're looking for if this is the one that you're looking for as your dream home, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message nyo lang po kami sa Facebook. You have our messenger. Message nyo lang kami dyan sa messenger. We also have Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Sigurado nakita nyo na yung mga reels nito sa TikTok at sa Facebook. So, meron ng mga naunang nag-schedule ng mga trippings nila. Kaya kung hindi pa ito nabibenta ngayon, book your trippings now. You can also add me on or follow me on TikTok and Alalu and Instagram because you can book your trippings there. Kung wala naman kayong social media handles, pwede po kayong mag-message sa amin sa iba't ibang messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Viber, send us an email, at ang aming mga mobile numbers nandyan din naman po siya. At sa mga hindi ko pa nasabing details, ito po ang mga iba pang details ng ating property. Yan, at ito pa. So yan po. If you're interested again, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you so much. At quick plug-in lang, thank you so much to Glide Fashion House for my necklace. Ayan, check their page para sa mga iba't ibang mga fashion items. Ito po ang kanilang Facebook page. Ayan, just send them a message. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house